wisdom that protects. Riches are the ransom for a man's life, but the poor are not even threatened. Proverbs 13:8. While being rich may have certain advantages, wealth is a mixed blessing, especially in our perilous times. In some lands, the wealthy, including tourists who look affluent, have become targets of thieves and kidnappers seeking a ransom. Concerning one developing country, a news report stated, "Violent robberies, fraud, and kidnappings pit the haves against the have-nots. Restaurants post armed guards. The homes of the wealthy have walls with razor wire, floodlights, cameras, and security guards." A similar situation exists in many other lands. Yet the poor, the Bible says, are not even threatened. How can you benefit from that gem of wisdom? If you live in an area known for crime and violence, or if you have to travel to such a place, do not attract attention to yourself by appearing to be affluent. Think carefully about what you wear and carry in public, especially if your possessions will be noticed. The shrewd one sees the danger, says Proverbs 22:3, but the inexperienced keep right on going and suffer the consequences. The wisdom recorded in the Bible reflects our Creator's care for us. He wants us to be safe. Such wisdom is a protection, says Ecclesiastes 7:12, for it preserves the life of its owner. End of article.